vehicle? Check out the 2020 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, ventilated front seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.